How to check if a string in Python is in ASCII. I want to check whether a string is in ASCII or not. I am aware of ORD, however when I try ORD, I have type error column ORD expected a character, but string of length 2 found. I understood it is caused by the way I built Python, as explained in ORD's documentation. Is there another way to check?
I think you are not asking the right question. A string in Python has no property corresponding to ASCII, UTF-8, or any other encoding. The source of your string, whether you read it from a file, input from a keyboard, etc., may have encoded a Unicode string in ASCII to produce your string, but that's where you need to go for an answer. Perhaps the question you can ask is this string the result of encoding a Unicode string in ASCII? This you can answer by trying.
In Python 3, we can encode the string as UTF-8, then check whether the length stays the same. If so, then the original string is ASCII. To check, pass the test string.
New in Python 3.7, Po 32677. No more tiresome / inefficient ASCII checks on strings. New built-in str/byte/byte array method. .isASCII will check if the strings is ASCII.